Beautiful tresses or stylish pixie? What look are you sporting these days? Whatever your style, the Havells unique Ionic Care hair dryer will help you maintain it. The heat balance technology ensures uniform distribution of heat, protecting your hair as it dries. Its Ionic Care removes frizz, making your hair super smooth and glossy. The 1500-watt hair dryer has a concentrator with a fixed nozzle. This allows you to style each section of your hair individually. There are 3 temperature settings with cool shot function to set your style firm. This hair dryer's foldable compact handle makes it easy for you to use and store, and it makes very little noise to boot. Let your look out with a Havells unique silent hair dryer.